Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's vlog ay magluluto po tayo ng roasting chicken. So magro-roast tayo ng chicken, dalawang chicken guys. Ang nilalagay ko po ay ito. First is hinugasan ko muna, tapos ng hugas, inano ko ng paper towel, this paper towel, and then nirap inano ko ng, after when it's dry, I put a little bit of lemon, and then I dry the paper towel again, and then I start na maglagay ng, nirarab ko ng salt and pepper, and then after I put inside the chicken, tawag nito, onion, the half slice of lemon, and lemongrass, and then the apple, half slice of apple, the garlic, and then and after I mix this soy sauce, salt and pepper, and then the chicken spice, chicken seasoning, and then when after mix it, I put her to brush it like this all over the chicken, from inside to top and bottom, and then the corner of the chicken is like this, the legs, all over the whole chicken guys. You put, and also this have a olive oil, so that your chicken, when you roasting, you put in the oven, it's not dry, you need to put the oil also. So that's it guys. So after this guys, after naman sa loob yan guys, yan lang ay ma-marinate ko muna ng within 2 hours. 2 hours ang marinating nito, so that the taste of the chicken, the sauce is malalasap natin yung serve yung nilalagay natin seasoning. So that's it lang guys, simple as lang guys, ganyan lang guys, see. And then after this, itatahi natin ng or wala man tayong pang tali, so I use the aluminum foil to tie this one, so do not open without the inside of the.
What am I supposed to do?
Hello guys, good evening. Ito na po yung ating roast chicken. Ito na po yung roast chicken guys. Tapos na po siya guys, almost done na siya guys. So ito po yung temperature niya guys. Malalaman mo dito kung luto na siya o hindi. So ang ating temperature guys is this one. See the chicken, poultry, other kinds of meat, pork. So dito tayo sa chicken. So iano na natin guys, half lang yung pagtusok niya guys, kailangan half siya guys para malaman mo ang niya, yung temperature niya. So it says 74 centigrade, 74 centigrades guys, it means luto na siya guys. It's almost done na guys. It says 79, 78 is almost done. So froze it already. I froze it already, guys, because it's almost done, guys. It's almost done. See? This one also is 76. It's almost done. So you need to take out, guys.